Hey guys, I am so sorry I haven't been posting. And yes, I'm in my pajamas. Yeah, it is Star Wars. Girls could like Star Wars too. So, I'm doing a slime collection, as you know by the title. So, okay, I named some of my slimes. Well, only some of my slimes. But yeah, I named some of my slimes. And I'm so sorry that I just have not been posting. But I'm very, very sorry. But you should go check out my channel. The link is in description. And also check out my cousin's channel. He only has 1 subscriber. I'm kidding. I was his 1 subscriber. But you should go subscribe to him. Yeah. And it's the one that I did a collab with. Because I was all alone. So, that was my cousin. Yeah. So this is one of my slimes. It's in a weird container. What am I doing? This one is called Poop. I'm kidding. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about the lighting. I just can't I can't get good lighting, you know? Good lighting, please come to me. Oh, there we go. Yeah. This is actually one of my slimes. This one I actually absolutely love. It's a little sticky. Yeah, you know. Yeah, and I changed my YouTube channel name and the picture probably 2 times. I don't know why. You should go check out my sister's channel. It's called The Gab Show First Video. Yeah. It's called The Gab Show. They have 30 subscribers. Why can't I have that many? I think they keep growing. Ugh. This slime is sticky. Yeah. It's sticky. Anyways, next slime. Please leave a comment what slime I should name this. This slime is called this one's called coconut slime. I don't know why it doesn't even look like coconut. This is a foam slime. If that relaxes you, just tell me. I'm pull up my sleeves. I can't even pull up my other sleeve because I have slime all over my hands. And I don't want slime all over my pajamas, so let me just pull up my sleeve. Now, all these slimes were made about a week ago. The slime is so nice. It's sticky, but you know, my friends actually like stickiness slime. Yeah, I sell slime basically, and I make money. Yeah. But to my sister's friend, I just give them for free because I know the slime is sticky too. But that is a fine because it's just fine, okay? I love the slime. It has glitter in it. I love this slime so much. It's really, really stretchy. I stretched it across the living room. It didn't even break once. This slime used to actually be fluffy slime. And it's a big gray one. It's because I went to Fort Worth for 2 weeks and I didn't play with my slime as much because I didn't play with my slime for 2 weeks, and they just stopped becoming the slime that they used to be. This is actually a really good slime. Not to lie, it's a really, really good slime. Gosh, it's sticking to me. You know, all slimes are like, different. Ugh. Okay, next slime is this slime. This one is called the banana slime because it looks like bananas. This one actually used to be small until I expanded it. Let me just put it on a big surface like this. That way I can poke it better and just squeeze it better, which is not gonna happen. Ugh. It looks really, really bright on camera. This is actually a glossy slime. Sorry about the lighting. I can't even fix it. But lighting is key. Yeah, I have a slime room. I don't know if I'm gonna do a tour, but I'm actually quitting slime later on. Yeah, it's pretty sad. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, if y'all don't know my birthday, it's on August 10, and my birthday is gonna be in SeaWorld. Yes, SeaWorld. It's the best place because, SeaWorld is the best place because it's a water park. And I'm turning 9. One of my friends are my subscriber, and he's been my friend for years, since we were in pre-K. I'm going to 4th grade now. We've been knowing each other for years. He's been in my class for years. He knows my birthday from years. Pre-K to 3rd grade. But now, he's going to know my birthday he's going to know my birthday for, yeah. We were in, okay, so we were in, oh gosh, I think it was 2nd grade. We were in 2nd grade, and we've done challenges to each other's on recess. It's really fun. He's been my best friend, okay, for years. Also, my friend Yaritzi, I follow her on her social media. She follows me on my social media. Yeah. So sorry, I haven't been posting. I haven't been texting her. Yes, we text each other. But yeah, that's my banana slime. This slime is my green screen slime. I'm not gonna turn it. Oh gosh. I'm not gonna put on. I actually have 2 green screen slimes. Gosh, this won't even come out. Oh, that popping dough. Yeah. No. I mean, yes.
What do you want?
Taco Bell. Sorry.
You don't want anything else besides Taco Bell?
No. Sorry, it's just that, like, my brother heard about me, so, like, he's bringing Taco Bell home, like he did yesterday. It's a really, I love Taco Bell. People love Taco Bell. Everyone loves Taco Bell. Yeah. Alright. But yeah, that's, I'm kidding. This is actually the last one. I don't have that much. Look at the bottom. This is a glossy slime too, but it's a small version. And I'm also doing mixing all my slimes by parts tomorrow. But yeah, that's actually it for my slime tutorial. I mean, slime collection. I don't have that much. Kidding. As I said, like, you know that I said, oh, I have 2 green screen slime, so obviously I have a second one. Ugh, can't get it out. It's stuck somewhere because I have a lot of things. Ugh. All right, got it out. All right, this one is probably one of my favorite green screen slime. Because the other one that I showed you is actually hard like rock. This one's foamy and it's really stretchy. But yeah. And if you could hear me, then I'm really glad. But yeah. Like, I really want to do an intro, but it just never works. I'm actually coming up with an intro, but yeah, I'm actually coming up with an intro. Hopefully I come up with an intro for my song. For my videos. And I just hope y'all guys enjoyed the videos that I make. And just laughter. And all those kind of things that, you know, appreciate my slime videos. And I'm really, really sorry I haven't been posting. It's just that I'm really, really busy. And I'm just really sorry I haven't been posting. I'm really, really sorry. Yeah. I'm so sorry. I'm not really sorry.
I'm a 14-year-old grown woman. You asking me about batteries right now? Mama.
Okay. But I'm really, really sorry I haven't been posting. I've been really, really busy. Nothing has happened since I've been vlogging, except for I've been vlogging for almost the past weeks or months. I'm just really sorry I haven't been posting. I'm really, really busy. I was just really busy, and, you know, things have happened. I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting. Bye. Peace. Peace, baby.